Magandang umaga sa lahat. Ang ating paksa ngayong araw na ito ay tungkol sa addition and subtraction of fractions. Hindi na tayo mag-elaborate, bagkus ay atin na lang reviewin kung paano mag-add ng similar fractions. Ano ba ang similar fractions? Hindi ba ang similar fractions ay ang two or more fractions na magkapareho ang denominator, katulad ng mga fraction na ito. Umpisahan natin ang pagbabalik tanaw sa addition of similar fractions. Kaya example number 1 ay ang 1/5 plus 2/5. Sa pag-a-add ng similar fractions ay kukunin lang natin ang kanilang common denominator, which is 5. And then we add the numerators, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3/5. Yan ang sagot ng 1/5 plus 2/5. Okay, example number 2, 3/7 plus 2/7. Okay, kunin natin ang kanilang common denominator, which is 7. And then we add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals to 5/7. Therefore, the sum of 3/7 plus 2/7 is equal to 5/7. So, kunin natin example number 3. 8/3 plus 2/3. So, ang common denominator nila ay 3. And then we add the numerator. 8 plus 2 is 10/3. Pero, this is not yet the simplest form. So, i-apply natin ngayon ang ating conversion ng ating fraction into its simplest form. Apply natin 2i 10 divided by 3. So, 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then, we get the difference. 10 minus 9 is 1. So, 3 remainder 1. So, ang final answer natin ay ito ang ating whole number. 3. Ito ang ating numerator. Ito ang ating denominator. So, 8/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 10/3 or equal to 3 1/3. So, balik tayo ngayon sa ating main topic, kung saan pagbibigyan natin ng pansin ang addition of dissimilar fractions. Uumpisa natin, example number 1, 2/3 plus 1/5. Tandaan ninyo, when adding dissimilar fractions, kailangan natin kumuha tayo ng common denominator. Since these are prime factors, wala nang ibang factor yan, so we just multiply each other. Okay? Pero kung ito ay factorable, kapag ito ay factorable, kukunin natin ang LCM, least common multiple, para gawin nating denominator. Di ba napag-aralan natin na ang least common multiple ay ginagamit pagkuha ng least common denominator. Pero at this time, hindi naman factorable ito. Hindi naman factorable yan. Kaya we will just multiply. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Next is, we will divide 15 by both the denominators of the two fractions and multiply to the numerator. So dito, 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 2 is 10. And then dito, 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 1 is 3. And then plus. So we add 10 plus 3 is 13/15. So tanungin natin ang ating mga sarili ngayon. Ito ba ay simplest form na? May factors ba ang 13? Wala na. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, wala nang simplest form yan. So, 2/3 plus 1/5 is equal to 13/15. Next example, 3/8 plus 5/12. Para makuha natin ang LCD, kunin muna natin, gamitan muna natin ng LCM by factorization. So kunin muna natin ang LCD ng 8 and 12 using our factorization method. Factors of 8, ito ay 4 times 2. At factors ng 4 ay 2 times 2. Ang factors ng 12, ito ay 6 times 2. And then factors ng 6 ay 2 times 3. Okay? Therefore, 8 and 12. Ang factors ng 8 ay 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. At ang factors ng 12 ay 2 times 3 times 2. So, ihilero natin na magkakapareha. 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So, ang LCD o LCM na gagamit ng LCD ay ibaba natin ang numbers. At iisang number lang ang magkakapareho. So, 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So, LCD, ilan? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. Therefore, the LCD of 8 and 12 is 24. So, gagamitin natin ngayon ang 24. And then, we divide. Okay? 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? And then, 24 divided by 12 is 2 times 5 is 10. Then, plus. Then we add 9 plus 10 is 19/24. So, ibig sabihin, 3/8 plus 5/12 is equal to 19/24. Try natin, i-analyze natin. Simplest form ba yan? Meron bang factors ang 19? Wala. So, ibig sabihin, is already the simplest form of fraction. Okay, naintindihan? Kuha ulit tayo ng ibang example. Next example, kunin natin ang 3/4 plus 5/16. So, kunin muna natin ang ating LCD by using factorization. So, again, 4, factors of 4, 2 times 2. At factors of 16 is 4 times 4. And then, we factor further. Factor uli natin. 2 times 2, 2 times 2. So, ang LCD ng 4 and 16, LCD is 2 times 2. Pag hila-hilarahin natin magkakapareho, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, LCD, ibaba natin na magkakapareha. Okay? So, 2. Ibaba natin ang 2. Ibaba natin ang 2 and another 2. Therefore, the LCD is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So, LCD ng 4 and 16 ay 16. Okay? And then we divide. 16 divided by 4 is 4, times 3 is 12. Okay? 16 divided by 16 is 1, times 5 is 5. And then, plus. So, 12 plus 5 is 17/16. Is this the simplest form? Hindi. So, kailangan nating simplify. So, 17 divided by 16. 17 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 16 is 16. And then we subtract. 17 minus 16 is 1. So 17 divided by 16 is 1. Remainder 1. So, to simplify further, 17 over 16, ito ang ating whole number. Ito ang ating numerator. Ito ang ating denominator. So, 3 over 4 plus 5 over 16, ang sagot ay 1 and 1 over 16. Okay, nakuha. Next example ay 8 and 5 over 9 plus 11 over 5 over 12. Okay? So, kunin muna natin ang ating LCD. So, to get LCD, factor muna natin yan. Okay? So, 9, factors ng 9 ay 3 times 3. At ang 12 ay 4 times 3. Lagay natin dito 3 times 3. At ang 12 ay 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. 3 times 4. Therefore, ang LCD ng 912 is, ibaba natin yan. Iba natin ang pareho. 3 times 4. So, LCD, 36. Okay? So, LCD of 9 and 12 is 36. Dito sa addition of fraction na ito, mixed fraction, hindi na natin pakikialaman itong 8 and 12. Mamaya na natin, tatakpan muna natin yan. Huwag muna natin pakikialaman. Okay? So, meantime, dito muna tayo mag-concentrate sa fractions. So, 36 divided by 9 is how much? 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And then, 36 divided by 12 is 3. Okay? 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? Plus. And then, saka natin i-add ang whole numbers. 8 plus 11 is 19. Okay? 19. So, simplify natin. 19. 20 plus 15 is 35 over 36. 8 and 5, 9 plus 11 and 5, 12 is equal to 19 and 35 over 36. Okay? So that is your answer. Sample number 5. 8 and 3/4. 8 and 3/4 plus 11 and 9 over 10. Hanapin muna natin ang ating LCD. So, factor natin ang 4 equals 2 times 2. At ang factors ng 10 ay 2 times 5. Therefore, kunin natin ang LCD. 4 and 10. 2 times 2. And then, ihilera natin ang magkaparehas. 2 times 5. LCD of 4 and 10 is, baba natin, 2. Baba natin na magkaparehas, 2. And then, 5. LCD is, 2 times 2 is 4. Times 5 is 20. So, gagamitin natin ang 20. Okay, muli. Huwag muna natin pakialaman ng 8 and 11. Dito muna tayo mag-concentrate sa fractions. So, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Times 3 is 15. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Times 9 is 18. Plus. And then we add 8 plus 11 equal to 19. Okay, 19. 15 plus 18 is 33. Okay? 33 and then 20. Pansinin ninyo, hindi pa ito ang simplest form ng 33 and 20. Kaya, isi-simplify natin muna ito. Sisimplify muna natin itong fraction 33 divided by 20. So 33 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. And then we subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, reducing this, meron tayong whole number na 1 at saka remainder na 13. So, reducing this is equal to 1 and 13 over 20. Ngayon, itong 1 na ito, yung whole number, itatag natin dun sa 19. So, 19 plus 1 is 20. And then, ang ating numerator and denominator, 13 over 20. So, ang 8 and 3/4 plus 11 and 9 over 10 is equal to 20 and 13 over 20. So, yan ang pagkuha ng, so that is how to add dissimilar fractions. So, yan ang ating napag-aralan ngayong araw na ito. At sana, sa mga bago nating mga kasama na ngayon pa lang nakakapanood, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Pindutin lamang ang subscribe button dyan sa baba para kayo ay makasama namin sa susunod nating mga pag-aaral. Yan muna at abangan ang susunod na part 2 ng ating paksa, ang subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Pansamantala, tayo muna maghiwa-hiwalay. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!